He will also take home a cash prize of 25,000 pesos. 100,000 pesos will be granted to Enhancing, Nurturing, Disciplining, Empowering, Restoring Daycare Incorporated, IT Center, courtesy of Medical Depot.
All right, for our next award.
This time, style, we are recognizing songs with blend poetic lyrics with heart-stirring melodies.
Ooh, okay, so here are the nominees for Wish Contemporary Folk Song of the Year.
Wish Contemporary Folk Song of the Year. Allegoria, Muni Muni. Iyakin, Shane Dandan. Love Is, The Ridleys. Nene, Sunkissed Lola. Umaykan, Noel Cabangon.
And the Wish Contemporary Folk Song of the Year is...
Noel Cabangon, Umaykan.
Una sa lahat, happy 10th Anniversary Wish Music Awards. Maraming salamat sa pagkilala na ito, sa recognition na ito. In music, we have to be conscious also of promoting our local culture, our language, at marami pong mga kwento na dapat nating ikwento sa pamamagitan ng musika. Maraming salamat Wish Music Awards for your support to original Filipino music. Salamat po sa recognition nito. Thank you. Also, thank you to my label, Widescope Entertainment. Thank you, Widescope.
Congratulations, Mr. Noel Cabangon. He will also have a 25,000 peso cash prize. Meanwhile, Tondo Community Initiative for Development Foundation Incorporated will get 100,000 pesos, courtesy of Medical Depot.
And now, we are down to our last category for this set. And it's a category that embodies catchiness and universal appeal.
And here are the nominees for Wish Pop Song of the Year.
Wish Pop Song of the Year. Apat na Buwan, Janine. Kaibigan, Justin. One-Sided Love, G22. Antropico, B. Sarili Mundo, DJ Montero.
And the Wish Pop Song of the Year.
Even more special. Maraming salamat po. Napakaganda ng simula po ng taon natin. Siyempre gusto po namin magpasalamat sa management po namin ng ABS-CBN, to our team, Team Vini, and to our music label, Star Music, Star Magic, and to our drums! Thank you so much! Thank you so much for the love and support. Beanie is not Beanie kundi dahil sa never-ending support nyo, guys. And of course, thank you so much Wish Music Awards for this amazing award. We're very honored and grateful to be able to represent Wish Pop Song of the Year. And thank you so much to our amazing composers of our beautiful song, Pantropico, Angelica Ortiz, Jumbo de Belen, Paula Chavez, Mark Alavides. Thank you so much po. All glory to God!
Congratulations, Beauty. They will also receive a cash prize worth 25,000 pesos. 100,000 pesos will be given to Philippine Food Bank Foundation, Incorporated, courtesy of Pure Gold.
Congratulations to all the winners!
Yes, congratulations! Beanie, pa-picture mamaya.
Grabe talaga, nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Napakaganda na ng mga kanta, napaka-big time na ng mga artists, at talagang mahal na mahal sila ng kanilang mga listeners.
Good evening, Araneta! Yes. Maraming salamat po.
Ayun naman talaga.
Pero ang tanong ko, talaga, sino ang bumoto every day for the 10 WMAs?
Grabe ang everyday. Salamat sa inyong dedication. Naalala ko rin.
Mahal, diba?
Dati, nung year na hindi ko na lang sasabihin, bilihan ng SIM card. Naalala
Bilihan
mo
ng
ba?
SIM card? Oo.
Oo.
Di may time pa, balota, diba? Iba-ibang klase sa mga iba't ibang awards.
Oo, pero talagang doon makikita ang dedication at love ng fan base. Or kahit hindi ka talaga super supporter ng isang artist, pero mahal mo yung kanta, iboboto mo talaga eh.
Yes, pero this year's awards, I encourage everyone, make a playlist and listen to all of the nominees and just listen to all their Wish-clusive performances kasi nagsasoundtrack kami ni Yael. Shout out to you, Yael! Nagsasoundtrack kami like the whole of last month.
That's actually a great idea, ganyan ka. Shout out to Kat. Pero i-playlist lahat. Lahat ng mga songs from beginning to end. Ngayon pa lang sa Spotify nyo. Gawin nyo na.
Yes, and of course we've seen some really great songs get the recognition they deserve, and songs like those really keep the OPM scene alive.
I agree 100,000%. And speaking of keeping the OPM scene alive, our next performers with an S, our next performers have taken over the airwaves, the online platforms, the sari-sari stores, lahat.